So let us see how to solve this particular problem. So basically the problem is that there is a Sachs approximation ADC converter whose full scale reading is 2.55 volt, and its conversion time basically when a analog input of 1 volt is 20 microseconds. What it is asked, what is the conversion time for a 2 volt analog input? So before going to that, let us see the basic construction of a Sachs approximation register based ADC converter. So basically there will be a register called Sachs approximation register, and then it will have n-1 digital outputs which will be given to a DAC, digital to analog converter, which will be provided with a VREF voltage. Okay, now this VREF voltage, the DAC output will be provided to a comparator. Okay, and then the analog input, whatever we are giving, V analog or whatever you call, will be given to a sample and hold circuit whose output will be provided to the non-inverting terminal of the comparator, and then this comparator output goes and it talks to the SAR. Once the SAR is finished, it generates the end of conversion output. Now how this works is that basically let us assume I give some voltage here. Okay, when we give some voltage, this voltage will be compared against this voltage by the comparator. So comparator, we know if it is if the voltage on V plus is greater than V minus, the output will be positive. If V minus voltage is greater than V plus, the voltage on the non-inverting terminal, then the output will be negative. So this is how comparator works. So now comparator will give output to the SAR, and so what happens here is that basically in the SAR, every individual bit starting from the MSB will be enabled, and this digital input will be given to the DAC, and analog voltage will be generated here. If you say this is VA plus, this is VA minus, and then this will be compared, and if it is if the output is also 1, then the 1 will be kept, otherwise it will be made 0. So that is how there will be number of loops happening. The algorithm runs, and once the count from n to 0 happens, there will be a end of conversion that will be enabled. So this indicates that the conversion from analog input to the digital is done, and the register value will be read. Now this is Sachs approximation register. Now the counter based register, there will be one more called counter based register, where you will count every time starting from the 0 to the maximum number of bits. So Sachs approximation register is like if you can say the conversion time would be equal to the number of bits that are here, because each bit will be enabled and compared and again set or reset based on the output of the comparator. So that means irrespective of the voltage here, based on the number of bits that is set here, the conversion time of this Sachs approximation register is dependent. So now here it is said that analog voltage, for analog voltage 1 volt, it is 20 microseconds, and for what is the conversion time for 2 volts, here it is said that the 8-bit Sachs approximation calculation to be done for the ADC. So because the bit size is constant for both these, we can say for 2 volts input also it would be 20 microseconds, because for a SAR the conversion time is dependent on the number of bits. Thank you.